So looking at Bitcoin, it's in this upward channel. It's making new higher lows and some higher highs as it starts to creep its way back up. I think the peak for Bitcoin is going to be in 2026, but things are looking okay. There's a lot of positive things happening in the market, but it's not Bitcoin today I want to talk to you about. Now, it's a token that's been pumping nicely. It's not this one here. I mean, that one, look at that, 103%. It's this form, which was the BNX token, and they rebranded and relaunched literally a few days ago. I think it was about 5, 6, 7 days ago that they launched this token. You can trade this token on Jonny Blockchain, and we're going to look at that in a moment. But let's have a look at this token in a bit more detail. You can search for it on cryptobubble.net, and all you got to do is type in 4 at the top, and that gives you that. And their token is called Form, but it's got 4 and Form. And if we go over to their website, it's a gaming platform. I don't really know much about the gaming world. I'm not a gamer, but things are happening for this token, this rebranding of this token. Now, everything I share with you is not financial advice, and you should always do your own due diligence. But I'm not looking to hold this token, the Form token. I'm not looking to hold it. I'm looking to trade it. If we go over to Jonny Blockchain, we could see that the robot is bought back for its members 633% in the last 24 hours. Now, that's not 633% for one trading robot. There's 73 trading robots trading this. So let's just get the calculator and we put the 633 and we divide that by 73. That's the amount of bots, just to give you an average of what these bots are doing. That's 8.6% per day. Now, if you look at this, it's got ROI for 7 days and 30 days. And you're going to be saying, Jeremy hasn't been around for 30 days. Well, what Jonny Blockchain did is anybody that had a BNX bot, it was converted over to the new form, ready for rebranding. So this has got a combination in this 7-day period, in this 30-day period. It was that BNX token, okay? But now it's gone over to form, and that's been between this 7 days and this 24 hours. But in the 24 hours, that's still giving an average ROI of around 8% per day, which is absolutely mind-blowing, I think. Now, setting up one of these bots, you can either set it up on Binance, or you can have it running, if you don't have a Binance account, you can have it running on Pancake. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you how to set up a Form trading robot, either on Binance or Pancake. But let's go back over to their website. And this is their website. I'll leave a link for this below the video so you can go and have a little look at this and do a little bit of due diligence on it. But I've asked ChatGPT to tell us about this token. And it says that the BinaryX was a prominent gaming platform that has recently undergone significant transformation, including rebranding and token updates. Initially, BinaryX, which is what that BNX token was, as a decentralized trading system, but shifted focus to a decentralized video gaming, notably developing their play-to-earn game, Cyber Dragon. I don't know nothing about Cyber Dragon. If you're a gamer, let me know in the comments. Built on the Binance Smart Chain, other versions of the gameplay modes, such as mining, PvP, and PvE, and it has implemented a decentralized autonomous organization, a DAO system, empowering players to influence the game's development. You could go and use ChatGPT to get you a bit more information. It's come back with a lot of stuff here. I'm not going to read it all out, but basically all I said was, what can you tell me about this particular website and its new token Form? So it's worth doing a little bit of due diligence if you're interested. If you're not interested in doing your due diligence, that's up to you. But when you're trading it, if I have a look at it on Deck Screener, if I just minimize this a minute, the liquidity is not that much on Pancake at the moment. It's only got 50k. So if you're going to trade it via Pancake, you only want to trade with small amounts, you know, $20, $30, up to about $100 because of the liquidity pool. Now, if you trade it on Binance, then it's got much more liquidity. So there's pros and cons of using either a decentralized trading robot to trade it or a centralized trading robot. So again, you have to make your choice on where you want to trade it. I've set up a little bot on Binance. I only set it up this morning. Now, if we look at the chart, here it is on Binance. My bot did a buy and sell in here, so it's made a bit of profit already. I've got this on a 3-minute chart here, and basically, if I put it on it original, you'll see, look, it's got the buys, a sell, and then it's got another buy. This is on Binance, and you can view it on TradingView, which is what I like to do because you've got these tools on the side here, and I like to use this price range, and I've got that starred as a favorite. And if I click this and bring this in, you can see from there to there is a drop of 2.7%. And then let's just say that your bot bought in at the bottom down here, up down here, and then it waited for, say, up here, that's 2.9%. Now, the reason why I'm showing you these price movements here is because it's good for a trading robot. A trading robot wants that volatility, wants that up and down in the market. And if you look there and it drops down to here, that's dropped by 3.4%. And so if your bot was buying somewhere around the bottom, picking up that peak, there's 5.21%. So you can see that these are 3-minute candles. There's been a lot of volatility for a trading robot to pick up trades. Now, I set my robot up a few days ago, but I didn't have the funds inside Binance to start the trading robot. So I only started it this morning. So let's go over to Jonny Blockchain. So on Jonny Blockchain, there's a few ways you can set one up. You can come to the trends screen, and you'll see that Form token is trending at the top at the moment. And all you need to do is to click on this plus sign, and that will set it up on Binance. If you want to use it on Pancake, you can come over here to the tab that says Pancake, and then all you need to do is just do Control F on your keyboard and then search for 4. Now, there's 2 tokens on here. You've got this 4, this one here, that's got a number 4 in it. And then if we go down a little bit further, you've got this one that says Form. So you want to make sure that if you're going to set it up from this screen and you click on this plus, that you're choosing the right token. You see that one's got that black circle with the hand in it, and the other one, if I go up, it's just got a hand. So that's a completely different token. You have to be careful with that type of thing in the crypto world. The other way of setting it up, if I come to the top of the screen, I go to robots, there's my bot there. Let's have a look at the trading log just to show you that I started this morning. It's made 28 cents. I'm only trading with $20. I'm going to let this trade for a little while. And you can see that that was the 25th of March. That's right now. And the time now is 9:50 a.m. And this was started at 9:15 a.m. And you can see in the top right-hand corner, it's 9:50 a.m. here in the UK. So if you wanted to set one of these bots up, all you need to do is click on this plus sign, and you can either choose from Binance or you could choose it on that DEX Pancake V3. Let me just show you on the DEX Pancake V3. And what you would type in here is Form. And there you'll be able to see what you can trade it with. Now, the liquidity pool, the biggest liquidity pool is on the USDT. And if we go over to here, you'll see there it is, Form. It's got 50,000. Let me just see if there's a bigger liquidity pool. So I'm going to copy the contract address, pop that into the search bar there, and search. Yeah, so you've got 50,000 there, 12,000, 1,352. So this with Tether is the biggest liquidity pool, but it doesn't matter what you trade it with because the robot will look for the best liquidity pool. And that's if you're going to choose it on the decentralized platform. So coming back to Jonny Blockchain, let's keep on the decentralized at the moment. If you want to trade it on the decentralized, you're gonna need to approve the token in your wallet. You'd basically just click on this word that says change, and then what that does, it opens up your MetaMask wallet, and you just need to confirm that, close that down, and then you can see that that's approved it. So you could see if I wanted to, I could trade this decentralized trading with my MetaMask wallet and Jonny Blockchain smart contract. Or of course, what you can do if you've got a Binance account, you can trade it via Binance. And so you change the exchange to Binance, and then all you do in here is type in Form again, and it will bring it up what you can trade it with. You can either trade it with USDC or Tether. Put it on Infinite. And then what you can do is put it onto expert mode. You can either leave everything at the default settings. So that was $20 for the first trade. or you can come down here and edit some of these settings down here if you wish. That's entirely up to you. But I'm not going to do that because I've already set one up. And my one's trading with Tether, as you can see there. And already it's got, 1.38% ROI in a matter of what, half an hour, 15 minutes, something like that. So it's looking interesting token. So if you're interested in trading form, then come over to Jonny Blockchain.
Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.